Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this session, I'm going to show you how we can quickly and easily sum comma delimited values in a cell. Such comma delimited values are usually found in CSV files extracted from information systems. And at times, these delimiters may be colons, semicolons, and many others. So let's move on and I show you how we can do it. The first step is to substitute the delimiters, which in this case are the commas, with the addition signs. To do that, we are going to use the substitute function. Click in the next cell, type equal signs followed by substitute. In the substitute function, we are going to enter arguments. We have text as the first argument, old text second argument, new text as third argument. The instance number is optional, we can ignore it. So let's enter the first argument. The first argument, which is text, is the combination of numbers and commas. Click here, enter comma. The next argument is old text, which are commas. So we capture a comma in double quotes. Put a comma. The last argument is new text. The new text is the addition sign, which we are going to use to replace the commas. So type the addition sign in double quotes. Close the function and press enter. So here you can see that the addition signs have replaced the commas. The next step now is to concatenate our combination of numbers and the addition signs with the equal signs. To do that, come here in the formula bar, click before substitute. Now type the equal signs in double quotes, followed by the and symbol for concatenation. Press enter. Here we get our equal signs concatenated to the combination of numbers and the addition signs. The next step now is to fill other remaining cells. Let's use the autofill. Put the pointer on the fill handle, then double click. You get other cells filled. The next task is to make these formulas become static values. To do that, put the pointer on the border. When you see the pointer turning to the move pointer, right click, move slightly to the right, then bring it back to the original position. Release the button, come and click on copy here as values only. Click. Now we get the values. These ones are no longer formulas, but static values. The last step is to replace the equal signs with equal signs to make a complete formula which will be adding the numbers. So again, we select all the values, then we press Ctrl H to open the find and replace dialog box. Here in the find and replace dialog box, we want to find the equal signs. So type equal signs here, then come to replace with, also type equal signs. Click on replace all. You can see that it has made 9 replacements. Click OK, then come and click on close. Here you get the totals of the numbers in the corresponding cells. Let us stop here for this session. I hope you have found it useful. And if you are new here, kindly support by subscribing. For returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to check on the new uploads. Like, comment, and share with friends. Let us meet in the next one.